y'all doing? Doing okay? How you doing? Good morning. Morning. How are y'all? Tell all our friends in YouTube good morning. You did your stretch midnight? All right. Y'all are having French toast. Does that sound good? French toast and bacon? That sounds good. Well, are y'all ready? How did y'all sleep last night? Y'all slept good? Huh? You did? Okay, there's the mid. Y'all ready for the French toast? You are? Okay, okay. Well, let's go ahead and get the French toast ready. And look at them babies eat. Midnight, you doing one of Whiskers job, getting up on the doors. Well, I'm not gonna stay. I'm gonna go back in. Gotta tell everybody have a great day right next to watch it and keep on the video. Say bye. Class is gonna tell the people that love us. Say good night and toast and the bacon as well. Midnight and biscuit. And now you're getting ready to take your morning nap. That what you're gonna do? You're gonna play with some colors. Which one are you gonna do, Sasha? Tell the people hello. Say hello, good morning. Good, tell them hello. Say good morning. Hi, everybody. Yes. All right.